Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert data into a table of database. First, open your XAMPP. XAMPP has opened. Just select a table where you want to insert data. So I want to insert data into student table, so click on it. Here there are 4 columns: ID, name, email and country. I want to insert this data: ID, name, email, country. First 01 ID and then name is Adam Gill, then email and country. To insert this data into database table, you have to provide this SQL command. First, insert, that is a key in SQL, into, then table name. Here our table name is student, then column 1, column 2, column 3, that's way, and then you have to provide values which you want to each column. Here column 1 and value 1 will be inserted in column 1, value 2 will be inserted into column 2, value 3 will be inserted into column 3, and that's way it will work. So first insert into, then table name, then column 1, column 2, column 3, and that column that should be inside parenthesis, and then values, then parenthesis, value 1, value 2, value 3. Here value 1 will be inserted into column 1, value 2 will be inserted into column 2, and value 3 will be inserted into column 3. That's why it will work. So now select SQL. Here the column names are already given, you can see here. So first insert into, our table name is student, then parenthesis start, then the name of the each column. First is ID, then is name, third column is email, fourth column is country, and now values. Here ID, first value of this table is ID 01, name Adam Gill, and then email, and then country. So I have to write respectively. ID was 01, then name is Adam Gill, then for email that was gill34@gmail.com, then finally the country is England, semicolon. Insert into, our table is student, and then the name of the respective columns: id, name, email, country. id is 01 Adam Gill 34 at the rate gmail.com, and then the country is England. So here 01 refer to id, Adam Gill refer to name, Gill 34 at the rate gmail.com refers to email, and England refers to country. Now go. Here you can see these values are inserted into the table into respective column. Now click on browse. So you can see id 1, name is Adam Gill, email gill34 at the rate gmail.com, and country is England. This way I want to again insert the second row. Our second row was 02 id Malik Shah Malik 3 at the rate gmail.com, Pakistan. And country is Pakistan. Insert into student table name, then the columns, and then the values for the respective columns, and click on go. This value has also inserted into the student table. Here you can see 01 Adam Gill, and then 2 Malik Shah Malik 3 at gmail.com, Pakistan, email. If you can insert data manually, so then click on insert, and here that's row is for id, that's row is for name, that is for email, that is for country. Our third row was Sundar Parekh, and that is id is 3. So click on 3. Country is India. So click on go. Browse. That row has also inserted. Again you can insert manually. Select this option, id 04 Matt Henry, name is Matt Henry, email henry at gmail.com, and the country is suppose USA. Click on go. You can see the respective SQL command also generated. Click on browse. You can see that has also been inserted into this table. Thank you everyone.